Okay, maupo na lahat ng mga kids.
And of course, partner, habang inaantay natin ang ating mga maglalaro, we would like to say thank you very much sa ating monetary major sponsors, Madam Marisa Guido, Enriquez and Families,
Sabihin ko.
Miss Marilu Certeza Feliciano, Animal Bike Clinic, and BJF Motor Parts, Madam Rosa Wayan and Family, Ponderosa Events Place, Congressman Jack Duwavit and Family, Oliva Family, Ma'am Karen Sines and Family, Mr. and Miss Dean and Alice Desis Torres, Miss Vilma Malyari and Family of Belmar Lights and Sounds, Sir Ian Servo and Family, Sir Roland Leonardo Paez and Family of Carlene's Black Consinta, CAC Chocolates Pantok Branch, Ma'am Maria Teresa Laskiri, Miss Olivia Lobario.
SB.
Salamat po.
SB daw po. Ate BY. Ate BY. Okay, so ang lalawin natin ay paper dance. Sasayaw muna. Kapag tumigil ang tugtog, pupunta sa papel, mananalo. Okay? Paliit lang, paliit lang. After nito, magka-clown star.